Hi guys, my name is Ram Prasad. I am saying about a system software compiler design lab example exercise number 9, a simulation of a predictive pressure. I am write a program in C to parse a given string using non-cursive predictive parsing for a given grammar description. A recursive decision is a top-down parsing technique that constructs the parse tree from the top and the input and is read from left to right. It uses for every terminal and non-terminal entity and backtracking of recursive top-down requirement discrete backtracking, non-backtracking, predictive pressure, parser algorithm. Set IP to input the first symbol of W. Repeat, let X be the top stack symbol at and symbol pointed to by IP. If X is a terminal or 4, then and the code should be like this, and simple sample input and output the table and stack input output. And the question is write a program to perform predictive parsing. And let's see the program. And you can see here print my name and registration number, define print entire matched stack input action verbose is equals to true. If verbose is equals to true, print join matched I just 30, join stack I just 25, join input I just 30 action. Define define predictive parsing sentence phrasing table terminal start state is equals to yes, verbose is equals to true, status is equals to none, match stack start state in input is equals to sentence dot split. If verbose is equals to true, print entire matched stack input action. Print itr match stack inp initial verbose action while len sentence and status is equals to false. Stop of input np 0 pose is stop of input. If stack 0 is equals to dollar and pause is equals to dollar, print itr match stack inp accepted verbose is return accepted. If stack is equals to pause, print itr match stack inp pop verbose match happen. Delete stack delete input continue. If stack is equals to epsilon, print itr match stack input popping epsilon verbose delete stack continue. Try production is equals to parsing table stack pause. Print itr match stack input stack plus production verbose. Accept return error plus string stack plus or string pause not accepted. New is equals to prediction split. Stack is equals to new plus split. Return non accepted. If name is equals to main parsing table, e is equals to id t e1 t e1 e1 plus t e1 t dot e1 epsilon dollar epsilon t id plus f t1 f dot t1 t1 plus epsilon star f dot t1 epsilon dollar epsilon f id e dot terminals id plus star. Print predictive parsing sentence id parsing table terminal start e verbose is equals to true. And let's see the program. And the output is uh, my name matched stack input action id e dot dollar, and the table was created like this, and initial and the id dot id plus id into plus id plus, and the table has been accepted. Thank you guys by watching my video.